here at Little Madeline because we have a Valentine's Day that we're planning.
And it is gonna be the
Giveaway.
Finished product.
Wow. So I have to assemble.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, it's kasi 20 tayo. I mean, I'm not gonna have time. I just have time.
Okay.
Tapos ito sandali.
Dito. Dito. There's a hole.
Oh yeah, there's a hole right. And then the
Lalagay na.
lalagay yan. Tapos yung earrings.
Right here.
And then there's a chocolate.
Chocolate.
Ito yung lalagay sa ilalim.
Confetti. Anong tawag dito?
And then the scrunch.
Scrunchy.
Yeah. So that's that one.
Ganda ba maging host?
Yeah, lahat yan. I think 20 something.
Dapat si Ate Marcela yung host all the time. Kasi may pa-sponsor. The ultimate sponsor with the Hermes Birkin. Ayun na si Anne.
At
Hello, Anne.
giveaway.
Siya po ang aming CEO. The chairwoman. Ibalik mo na yung heart.
Dapat, ang bala ko, all white, tapos na red earrings na.
Marcos one. So I made an example. So you put there everybody's name.
Oh, I'm good at that.
Yeah.
Maganda penmanship.
Yeah. So mine is it's okay, but it's just an example. So there's like 20. There's 25 in here. So para hindi na tayo like, I mean, I don't want to use up a lot of
kanina
glass.
tong baso, ganun.
Tama.
So we don't want to waste a lot of glass.
Yeah.
And then they can just use their own, you know.
Perfect.
Even the wine glass or the champagne flute, I have a name on it.
Thank you, Ate. Super effort ka naman.
Put all my energy on this part.
Basta ganito, mahilig si Ate. Masaya siya sa mga ganito, di ba?
I love posting. So ito yung ano.
Buti okay si Habi mo.
Support. Wala siyang choice.
Because I really enjoy doing it.
Hi everyone, it's a day after the Valentine's Day and we are doing something for Valentine's Day. So we're having a meeting and I'm here with Ate Marcela. She is the host, our madam, and we have our CEO slash doctor. Galing pa po siya ng surgery. O diba? Sino ka dyan? Oh. Yes, so we're very excited because maraming pasabog.
Epic celebration.
Wow.
It's gonna be an epic celebration. Our first Valentine's party.
Yes. So we are so lucky that the host for this party is Ate Marcela. This is her passion. This is who she is. Hindi siya mabubuhay kung hindi siya nakakapag-host. So
Magkakasakit siya kapag hindi nagka-event. Magkakasakit.
kailangan niya ng EICU.
Kailangan ng event every time.
Oo. So we're very lucky. And abangan natin kung ano yung mangyayari sa Valentine's Day.
Oh, you're very well. So we put everything that you like. I don't want any onion.
it's finally the 22nd and it's now our Valentine's Day. So I want you to take a look at all of the preparations that Dr. Marcella did for it. Look at that backdrop. It's gorgeous. Let me show you the food. We also have a place for us to make some candles or to paint some candles. Yeah. Let's check the powder room because even the powder room is on theme. I mean, look at that. Sure. Here you go. We're gonna check out as well the bedroom because it is also on theme. Ta-da! Look at that. Very cutesy. Two adorbs. Wow! Who are these Latinas? Pak Latina! Alright. So first, sign the welcome sign. You have to sign it, whatever you want. Merong...
Guys, I'm so tired.
Alate naman nagreklamo.
Dito together. Ano yan?
Pili ka lang ng heart kahit saan dyan. Tapos, anong ilalagay mo?
Ano ba yan?
Mag-isip.
You got it.
You got it.
You got it, girl.
Go for it. Go, go, go.
Mamaya, kala mo Marcela. Ako na.
Oh, anong message mo? Oh, focused. Mamaya ka lang. Hindi sinulat niya.
Mamaya ka lang.
Lagay mo ng Jackie.
Bahala na yan. Ano ba? Parang hindi na nalaman sa mga nagbanta.
Oh, tapos, ayun. Tapos gawa kayo ng name tag dito.
Grabe naman ang requirements na yan. Ginuog ko.
Asan na yung mga marker? Ayun.
Jackie?
Jackie. Tapos Jen.
Parang gusto ko nang palitan na lang yung pangalan ko. Ano? Parang gagawa ni... J mo na lang, JJ. Ganyan.
Para daw makilala kayo ng ibang guest.
Jane na lang. Jane talaga. Ay, binago na.
Sino si Jane?
Kaya nga eh.
Sino si Jane?
Naging Jane na eh. Binago na.
Oh, di ba? Hala, Tem!
Grabe talaga.
Pahihirapan ka muna.
Pahirap ako. May quest. Pahihirap. Jane.
Hello, Jane.
My new name.
Jane the Virgin.
Ayoko ilikit dito sa ano ko. Saan ba?
Oh, ayan.
Yan.
Okay, pasok na po. Tuloy. Kayong mahihiya. Oh, wow, Pak! Sino ka dyan? Backless. Hello, welcome. Good. Make up again. Hello. Mary, may katulahan na si Jen. Okay lang yan.
Maganda nga yun yung nagano
Birthday ko daw ngayon. Ginawa ko kayo. Anong ginawa niyo? Ginawa kayo? Anong kinuha mong food? Oo. Sari-sari. Oh, diba? Dinuguan.
Your favorite.
Ay, ikaw, anong kinamong food?
1 tablespoon each of dinuguan and carrots
And carrots.
Recipe.
I got the dinuguan. Bilo-bilo pala to. Bilo-bilo pala. Bilo-bilo. Kare-kare. Kare-kare. And I have a canning. And, sumba.
Walang kare-kare.
Ano? Ay, hindi pala na ba ito? Caldereta.
Oh, caldereta.
It's caldereta. Sorry. Busy to. I'm sorry. Shy type.
sorry.
Demure. Dessert time.
Because of the gargoyles.
Anong opinion mo sa leche flan?
Sarap ng leche flan.
Super. Ano, kasama cake? Biko. Leche flan. Heart is good.
So cute. Where did you get that?
Pinako ko doon.
We did the art, the triumph. May nakit namin yun.
Masarap yung leche flan.
284 steps.
Super.
Leche.
Fairness.
Bayam.
Let's try the pinagnit. Ano ba iba ng bilo-bilo? Bilo-bilo. Pero sabi sa pinagnit.
Yeah, we said, oh my gosh, na ako.
Magkakaroon mo sa
Well, I didn't eat breakfast. And yeah, I'm excited to no.
Mukbang. Ano yung masarap?
Yeah, we're good.
That's good.
Nahuli tayo. Kunwari.
December with Paris, we made sure na
Paris girls.
Sa mga Paris girls. Video yan.
Tigit-tita tayo
Cheers.
Gawa ng recipe.
Video muna.
Dito muna ako sa mababa.
Madam, ano yan? Ano yung drink mo?
Dito na.
Vodka?
Pineapple.
Wow! Lakang drink. Do you like your drink? Love it? Chai, where's your drink? Pakita mo yung drinks mo. Oh.
Nakita sa kanya. Nasusuka pero hindi pa nasusuka.
Ano, lumubag naman.
Nadagdagan yun. Hindi kayo na siya. Ano na? Uy, vlogger.
Ang ingay nyo. Video.
Today's video.
Sobrang Latina. Oh, sino.
Sarah, magwalis ka na.
Panginoon! Pinanalangin po natin. Lahat mga nanahil. Yung mga nagsusumpa. So while everyone else is making their candles or painting their candles, we're gonna make our bracelet.
15 to 20,000 steps.
Oh, Blackpink.
Tama na yan.
Ano?
Ano gawin yan?
Kung ano lang bet nyo, parang... Diba?
Noon!
Yung mga ganda-ganda. Kali ako. Dito pala yung mga tinkoy-tinkoy. Oh, may gold pala.
Daming space doon.
Gusto ko yung sumisingit eh. Asan yung ano nyo?
Nasaan na yung
Bakit
nylon?
Airbnb?
Lagay mo. Yung nylon bag. Tapos,
Walang gamit dyan eh.
nirebook yung hotel na. Nirebook
Walang
yung
gamit.
flight.
Alam mo ba? Gano'n kami din nasa. Alam mo yun sa...
Tali,
Kaya mo yan.
paano mo siya yan?
Ano tatali? Oo, tapos na ako dito po.
Hindi pa. Piniflex ko lang.
Para sa baby girl. Tapos
Wow, baby girl. Ang cute.
Baby girl.
Short, short.
para sa baby girl.
Wow.
Girl
Cute. Girl yan, girl.
You never know, you never know. Sit down.
Baby girl talaga yan, Z.
Ay, hindi ko nahulog. Saan ba? Ano ba yan? Wala, ang dami pang pearls sa ilalim po niya. Maski pinagtatapon niya yung mga pearls. Ayun, oh.
Hindi ko na alam. Paano ba?
Tinali-tali ko na lang.
Kaya nga, no, itali na lang.
Ano ba ito Itali?
Remembrance lang naman to. Yan.
Ay, siguro kung maganotin.
Oh my god, how many times am I going to drop this?
It's so hard.
I can never be a surgeon. Yung
Oh,
nagsishake yung
Ay, Jen. Oh my God. Dead na dead na ang patient dahil. Ano ang ganda?
Jen's
Ano ang ganda?
bracelet.
Ay, yung flower. Alam mo,
Are you proud?
Farmer's market.
Proud ka ba?
Hey!
Ang laki niya na.
Tama na, tigilan mo na yan. Tama na yan. Tapos na sa'yo, Chai.
Balik na naman yung kandila. Bawal dito na yan.
Oo nga eh, hindi pwede.
Hindi kayo na laging may pearl tsaka gold. Pang baby. Ay, putang ng ribbon mo.
What kind of flower is that? I don't know.
Dapat nag-video tayo.
Oh. Hirap talaga.
Pero,
Hello, ladies. Hi. Sorry I'm late.
why you're late?
Happy birthday. Next time. Honey, thank you.
No, you gotta pay for this.
Ay, ang pretty ng flowers. Pretty. Ano sa'yo? Pakita mo. Wow, ang ganda. I think this is my favorite activity. Ang ganda. Ano yung flowers ni Mary? Let's see. Oh, ang pretty. Diba, mahilig ka sa mga ganito. Bakit natingin sa'yo? Wow. Oh, Jackie, ano yan? Pretty. So pretty. Ah, ano sa'yo?
Ayun, more rose.
Ilagay mo doon. Kamagana.
Hoy, nagboto na?
Nag-vote na ba lahat? Ah. Hi, Alex! Hi! Alright.
Are you guys in the same area?
Where's your Birkin? Wow! Custom-made Birkin! What's inside?
I don't know. Sorry, excuse me.
Oh, look at that! What is that? It's crunchy chocolate. There's chocolate and lip gloss and earrings.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Go, just go. Follow the heart.
sabi mo, ilibro mo kami ha.
Ilibro ko kayo lahat.
Ay, merong naman na. 50-50, ano daw, Bi? 50? Ito na ng 50, Bi?
Ano pinagsisigawan, oh? Oo.
Wow, $50 yan ha, hindi yan piki. Hindi yan piki. At doon na nagtatapos ang story sa araw na to.
It was rigged. It was rigged.
It was rigged? No! What's your comment about her winning this competition?
But I voted for her.
Oh no! Oh no, we hear that. What was that?
What was that?
Tapos na.